Look, it's charging. Fully charged. This is the brand new, fully electric Hummer. Right, now check this out, guys. It's fully open. It has sky panels that you can take off. I'll show you. Over here, there's a button right here I can press. Watch. And because this is fully electric, now you have all of this room here for storage. So you've got one of your sky panels here stored in the front. When this comes out in 2024, you can store all of your glass panels here in the front. Now, check this out. Around the back, you've got a button here for the back. Here we go, and what in the world is this? Look. This is not just some random pattern. This is the surface of the moon. Why do they have that here in the back? Because, of course, they tested this Hummer on the moon. Let's run with the story. All right, let's close that up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes, yes. All right. Now, around here, more cool stuff to show you. This right here, you've got a hidden American flag in black. It's not in your face, it's just there to be discovered. Now, something I've never seen on a car before, never. Right under here, you have a thumbs up little sign. Now you think, what? Why do you need one of them? Well, if you flip the car, then that thumbs up sign turns to a thumbs down sign, and that's when you can really confirm that you've actually flipped the car, because otherwise, how would you know, right? So that's cool. You've got those little thumbs up signs along the bottom. This is for all terrains. You've got these massive 35-inch tires, and that can go all the way up to 37-inch. You have another map right there. Right here, this map, again, of the moon, the Sea of Tranquility, that's where Neil Armstrong touched down. And you see that little boot? There's a boot there on the map, and also here is a little hidden boot. That's Neil Armstrong's space boot. Oh man. So they've got this space theme because they want this to feel kind of out of this world, like spacey vehicle. If you saw this driving on the moon, you'd be like, yeah, fits in. Come on in. In here, you've got this kind of boxy look to the interior. You've got this boxy display here. This is 13.4 inch across, and all of these big buttons, all right? So you can actually feel them quite easily without taking your eyes off the road. I love the humor that these guys have at GMC, because this has a launch control mode, but it's not called launch control. It's called WTF mode because that's what you're going to feel when you launch this baby. This has 3 electric motors with 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 100 in just 3 seconds flat. So yes, it is called the WTF mode, which I love. All right, we're going to go for a bit of a drive. Come on in, Todd. Todd's from GM Design. It can even crab walk sideways. All wheels turn in the same direction.